In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a line in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a document for professional or personal use, adding lines can help in structuring your content neatly. So let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to achieve this. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. You can type Google Docs directly into the search bar and hit Enter. Once the search results appear, click on the Google Docs link, which should take you to the main homepage of Google Docs. Now that you're on the web page, if you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Ensure you're logged in with the correct Google account that contains your document or where you want to create a new one. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Docs main interface. At this point, you have the option to either open an existing document or start fresh with a new one. If you already have a document in mind, simply click on it. Otherwise, to create a new document, click on the plus icon typically labeled as blank. This will open a new document where you can start adding content, including lines. When you're set with your document and you need to add a simple horizontal line, place your cursor at the position where you'd like this line to appear. Next, navigate your cursor to the top menu and find the Insert button. Click on it, which will open a drop-down menu of various options. From this menu, you will see the option titled Horizontal Line. Click on this, and voila! Your horizontal line is inserted right where you wanted. For those of you wanting a bit more customization with your line, Google Docs offers an alternative approach. Again, head over to the Insert menu. This time, rather than selecting Horizontal Line, choose Drawing and then New. This opens up a drawing window, providing you with a canvas to create your line. In this drawing window, you'll want to select the Line tool, which is usually represented by a simple line icon along the toolbar. Click and drag your cursor across the canvas to draw your line. Holding down the Shift key while you do this is a good trick. It ensures your line remains perfectly straight. Once you've drawn your line, you can customize it even more. Look above the drawing area where you'll find options to change the line's color, adjust the thickness, or alter its style, for instance, making it dashed. Satisfied with your custom line? Great! Click on Save and Close. This action inserts your customized line directly into the document. That's it for today. Hopefully, these instructions have made it clear and easy for you to add lines in your Google Docs documents, helping to enhance your document's layout and design. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.